Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying which conditional forwarding is active and why the phone routes calls. Open your phone app and go to Call Settings, then Call Forwarding. Once there, inspect No Answer, Busy, and Unreachable entries. Make a mental note or screenshot of any forwarded numbers before changing them, because you may need them later. This prevents accidental loss of important routing information and helps you confirm success after you disable the setting, so you won't be guessing which condition caused the reroute. Next, remove the forwarding rules. Tap each active condition and choose Disable or Turn Off. Once done, the line should show Not Forwarded or be blank. If your phone lacks direct UI controls, dial your carrier's conditional forwarding UST codes. For example, deactivate No Answer with the carrier code or use the carrier app. Make sure you perform this for Busy, No Answer, and Unreachable individually, because toggling one does not always clear the others. Once cleared, recheck the list to confirm changes. To finish, restart your phone and place test calls from a different line to verify calls ring normally. If forwarding persists after reboot and UI shows disabled, it's likely a network-side rule. Call your carrier and ask them to clear conditional forwarding on the network. Provide the forwarded number and timestamps. Once they confirm removal, test again. If problems continue, mention any call-blocking apps or dual SIM settings, because those can reapply routes. Keeping screenshots speeds support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.